What's up, everybody? Welcome back to John's Garage. Today is a lower body day. We're going to get it in. This is going to be a quick workout. I had a great week already, and I don't want to put too much more strain on my body. And we'll be talking throughout the workout, and we'll have an overview session at the end. Let's get it in. Yo everybody, I'm enjoying this light workout. I'm just going to do a lot of reps on the machine over here, just doing those leg extensions, leg curls, and I might do some supersets, we'll see, but I'm only going to work with 30 minutes. So whatever I get in, and whatever I don't get in, I'm going to catch it on the next workout. 60 to 30 seconds in between each set for rest. All right, I got about 10 more minutes in this 30-minute workout for the legs, and I was trying to do the curls, but it felt so uncomfortable. It was a lot of pressure. It's just that particular bench, so I did an offset exercise, and that was the lunges. So we're gonna do the curls again, but I'm gonna stay at that lighter weight, just 145-pound plate, and just go a ton of reps, okay? So it's extremely hot in the garage today. It's warmer in Chicago. It's 40, so that's like almost summertime to me. So I got the heat set to 90 like I normally do, but I'm baking in here today. So I'm sweating a lot and I feel good. I don't feel any strain on my body as far as this exercise is concerned. So I'm doing I'm going to do 3 more sets of that, just 20 reps, light in that. That's probably going to eat up the last of my time. So I'll talk to you after that.
That was a good workout. It was pretty fast. I got a lot in. I definitely felt uncomfortable doing the leg curls. It was just so much pressure right here at the top of above my kneecap. So I dropped down on the weights and just did more volume. So I still benefited from it. I actually felt it in my hamstring. So I'm still out of breath, guys. I also added in some calves. I didn't want to neglect the calves because I am working on getting my calves bigger. So I really enjoyed this workout. I changed it up. I didn't want to put too much strain on my body as far as like I had a really good week. And this is like my 4th day in a row working out. So this will be my first week actually doing it, a full 5 days within this year. Normally I do about 3 days. If I'm doing really good, I'll get 4 days in, but for the most part, it's about 3 days a week. So I'm pushing myself because I have goals that I want to achieve, okay? And I want you to set goals too and push through those goals so that you can accomplish it and look good and feel good in 2021 and beyond. If you like this channel and you want to continue to go on this journey with me, I'm always inviting you to go on this journey with me in John's Garage so we can level up together. Subscribe to this channel, click the notification icon, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video as we level up together in John's Garage. Take it easy, my friends.